Girl, you need to go here. Need a quick winter vacation? Tahoe is your jam. Only 3 hours from the Bay Area. The views are amazing. The water crystal clear. The much-needed break from your 9 to 5. And guess what? A long weekend is never too far. You need this snowy fun. We couldn't get enough of the snow this season. Go build your own snowman, buy that $20 sled, and take your fam with you. I promise you won't regret this trip.